Hi, my name is Francis.
Hi, my name is Diane, and we are at our new restaurant, ABACÁ.
We are located inside Kimpton Alton at Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. It's been a long time coming. Pinoy Heritage has been popping up as a restaurant the past 6-7 years.
We are at our hometown, my hometown, Borongan, Eastern Samar in the Philippines, when we experienced Typhoon Haiyan firsthand.
We came back here, did a full-on fundraiser through the 5th floor while we were working together. First time doing a all Filipino menu, and it was so well received that here we are today.
Also here at ABACÁ, we have a Panaderia open 7 days a week.
We're gonna showcase a very unique pastry case. One of my favorite is the laminated ensaymada. We layer it with butter, fill it with ube, makapuno, or for savory, truffle cheese and smoked gouda. We also have an amazing coffee program. Our roaster is Mr. Espresso, and their roaster is a Filipino guy who's been doing it for over 30 years.
We are very excited to welcome you to our home, ABACÁ.